Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to unarchive a post on Instagram and bring it back to your profile. If you previously archived a post and want it visible again, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now select Archive. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current archive section. Tap where it says Stories Archive and switch it to Posts Archive. Here, you'll see all the posts that you have archived from your Instagram profile. Find the post you want to restore and tap on it. Once the post opens, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Show on Profile. Instagram will immediately restore the post and make it visible again on your profile. Go back to your profile, refresh the page, and you will see that your archived post is active again.